stars yun? Kasi ning kapart mo.
Pag gawa na, pag pwede nang i-announce. Kaka-pitch lang kaka-pitch lang. Yeah, yun nga, isa Star Cinema. One movie.
Na-partner mo na dati? Or
Yes.
Sorry, please.
Yeah, it's a reunion lang. So hopefully, baka makapag-shoot ako mid-year kasi busy pa. And then,
Musical din ito.
Hindi naman.
Siguro reunion, baka musical.
Hindi pa si Reg.
Papa P, malapit na ang Valentine's Day.
Oo nga eh. Valentine's na naman, ano?
Oh, Valentine's Day. Pang ilan na ba?
Hindi ko na rin mabilang. Sa dami ng taon.
So, sinong kasama? Wala pa.
Nanay ko. Pa-set up na ako. Sabi ko sa handler ko, daw pwedeng mag-trabaho sa 14 kasi may date ako. Sabi niya, mami, sabi ng handler ko, sino ka date mo? Hindi ko pa alam. So, niyaya ko mami ko. So, we're just gonna, spend
Ano yaya mo na nga?
overnight sa Batangas. Ano lang.
Si Inigo.
Wholesome lang. Inigo is arriving on the 13th. So, hopefully he can follow. Sa station ngayon. He left yesterday.
Please, celebrate yung birthday mo. Anong
Yeah.
wish mo?
Actually, kasi sa edad kong to, Joyce was asking me, ano bang dream mo, ano bang goal mo? Sabi ko, it's safe to say that I've already achieved my dreams, I've already reached my goal. So sabi ko, I'm at a point where I'm trying to discover, what else I can do in this business and personally, diba? So I'm in the process of finding out as to how I can expand, my celebrity status or do more films. And I'm staying away from soaps kasi I want to be able to diversify and do other things only for that. Pero yun, hinahanap ko pa rin kung ano kung pwede kong gawin. They want me to do a concert this year. So I'm doing an album, all original, and then wala. I'm booked till September. So I don't know how to plan. My life is already planned out. So I'm just, it's a blessing. I take things one day at a time. Ang dami yung pumapasok na endorsement. So, I'm keeping a good pace.
Yung paying it forward, anong ginawa mo? Usually, di mo may
Wow. Actually, we did what do you call this? Charity before my birthday. The day or a week before. The usual lang. We didn't want to be used for any campaigns kasi maraming nagkakampanya ngayon. So, hush-hush lang. Sa iba-ibang town, iba-ibang city.
Papa P, parang ano lang.
May endorsement.
Wala. Ayoko talagang mangampanya eh. So, ang daming pumapasok na campaign for mga shows. Wala kaming tinanggap kahit isa. I'm not into
Bakit?
politics. I don't believe may magagawa ako for now. I'm just gonna use my platform as a celebrity pero to support a politician, hindi ko naman sila kilala. So,
Paano kung kilala mo?
Oo.
Ikat ka
I don't know. I'll cross the bridge siguro. Wala pa naman malapit na ganun. But yun nga, we just told them na we're not gonna accept anything.
kaibigan na.
Meron po, sa Parañaque, Bernabe. So yun, sabi ko, I'll attend maybe one rally. But that's it.
Thank you po. Last na po.
Na kukuha mo as a film producer.
To be able to see something, for 2 hours, created out of nothing. Ang sarap na parang bumubuo ng kotse, ng bagay, ng... Oo eh. So and then you see the finished product, from time na nasa script pa lang siya. Yung fulfillment na naagawa ka sa pelikula, sobra-sobra. Sobra-sobra.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kaya